Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. Today we are here to talk about importing assets into Unity, and as you might know there is a couple of ways to do it. We can import assets from the asset store, from packages. We'll start talking about the asset store. If you go to window, you can open something called the asset store. Under package management you have asset store. If you press this button it will send you to the asset store, and here you can find any sort of assets. Actually I want to look for free asset and I got something called top 3 assets right here. I'll see more, and let's say I want this simple food. Let's take a look. All right, let's try to import this into our Unity project. So I can add it to my assets right here, or you can add to your favorites. I'll put to my assets and I will agree with the terms, and this just got added to my assets. Now I can open this already in Unity. Sometimes it works, sometimes you might go inside Unity and do it manually. I'll try to go through this button. I need to open it in Unity editor. Yes, as you can see it actually opened my package manager and I have simple foods right here. I'll grab this window and place it right here, and you can see that the package manager, that you can also come from here, it shows you actually in project all the packages that you have. Sometimes some assets need to be updated, for example, so you keep their latest version. Right now we want to go to my asset that I just added, one sort of asset from the asset store, and I want to download. Now that we downloaded this asset, I can import it to our project. Let's import to our project. Here you can see the list of things that you want to import. For example, I could remove the demo scene. I don't want, for example, to have another scene in my project that shows up all the assets displayed, for example, but I want all the materials, I want all the meshes, the textures, and so on. So I will import the remaining, so you can see that I can select what I want to import. And right now we got simple foods here in my assets folder as well in my project, right? So let's get back into the scene. We got the scene right here. Let's mimic the game view, and I can come into the prefabs. As you can see, everything is purple. If I grab something from here, for example this apple, into my scene, you can see that it's purple, right? Let's try to go to our meshes and see the apple mesh. So this is the apple mesh, this is a prefab. We also should have a material. Exactly. If you got something like this, let me actually see something here. So materials need to be upgraded to whatever pipeline we might be using. That is the universal render pipeline. Let's try to come into window, rendering, render pipeline converter, and we want to upgrade materials. So let's initialize the converter. Currently is not saved. Let's save and continue. Unity already know that we have 31 assets pending, so let's convert our assets, and as you can see immediately our apple just turned green and it matches its name, apple green. So let's cancel this and let's try with other materials. As you can see, even in the prefabs now the materials look good, right? I can grab a carrot, I can grab a cheese, and the materials now look really okay. So this is one way to import the assets. Always pay attention that the materials might need to be converted. Anytime you grab a material and it's all purple, something is wrong. Don't give up on finding a solution for that, because it exists. So this wraps up the first part. Now the next step will be to import a package. So if you come into assets you can import a package, right? At the moment we don't have a specific package to import, so I'll show you how to export a package and then import the package into the project. So imagine I have my hello world script right here and I want to use this in another project. I can get this script right here and let's say export as asset package. So if I do this, I have some options here. I have the items to export and I have my delay tests, I have hello world, and then I have other stuff, right? Let's say that I just want my script called hello world to go, so I will leave it there alone and I will put export. And now we need a place to put my Unity package. I will put it into the desktop for now. Later on we could change that. Let me call it hello world underscore up for Unity package. Let's try to save this. As such, the window disappeared. My Unity package just got created. How do I know that? Well, I can come here as well and import package, custom package, and now you can see that I have my hello world Unity package right here. You can send this to a friend, to a colleague. It doesn't matter. If you are working together and you need to pass something as a Unity package, you can do it just like this. If I were to delete this from my project, I could import it again from that package. So now I can import my custom package. Let's grab the hello world Unity package and let's import my hello world script. Let's place import and it should come actually inside the script folder. There you go. So this is another way to actually export and import assets from Unity. And last but not least, I got some 3D asset that I want to import into my project. So first things I would do would be set up a folder for my assets. Let's say 3D assets. Let's open this and let's import a new asset. And the asset that I want to import is this wood box that I got right here. Let's place import. As you can see, this was imported and got some materials into it as well. So if I was to drag this into my project, you can see that it already got the materials assigned, and I'm using a 3D asset that I just created in Blender for this purpose. And now I could start mixing things up. Like if I wanted to use materials from my simple food prefabs, I could pick the cheese and say that this is actually wood and have other color for another type of wood. So as you can see, this is very flexible. Once you got things running up smoothly, this is an amazing way to work. So don't forget that you can import assets from the asset store, the package manager, from your computer, and even from Unity packages. So if this was helpful, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my content, since it helped me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in our next tutorial. If you have any doubt, don't forget to use the comment section. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you there. Stay awesome.